when I wake up, I've not seen a new pimple since when I changed my routine. But let's say when you say welcome, welcome.
Why this boyfriend?
Are you going to sing to me? Hey, Faye. Wow, so cute. They even put sweets and juice.
Why this boyfriend?
Where are you going to sing to me now? Hey, Faye. What are you eating? What are you eating? Eh? What are you eating? Can you look at me? What are you eating? Can you eat biscuits? You want me to feed you? Can I feed you? Face, don't like this is face birthday month. July.
My birthday is in
December.
My birthday is in December.
Yes.
My daddy said December we're going to village.
Wow. Do you love it?
Yes, I love village.
So you'll be playing and playing and playing too. Masquerade. So you used to watch Masquerade.
There's so much to go. I was just want the parlor.
You run to the parlor. Okay. What?
Into the parlor.
Oh, but you don't want us to show.
So.
But your baby likes curry, eh? Yes, so this is the way you use his hand to collect curry sweets. I shifted the soup away from him. I saw him stretching his hand. Take Gary. He likes it. Put it in his mouth, I know. If I want, no. It will be. Don't worry. Very thick. There's some biscuits, so to spoil your what's it? Hey. Hey, Faye. subscribed to my channel, take out some minutes to click on the subscribe button and also like my videos. Thanks for watching. So I just got some products. I like trying things that to probably see if it will work for me. Yeah. So actually I've been hearing about this Dr. Teal's. So I got this Dr. Teal's Glow and Radiance Vitamin C. Yeah, this is with pure Epsom salt. This is it. So I said, let me try it. And he has been pretty mild on my body. It doesn't foam too much or strip off the oils from my body. So I actually got this in the superstore. Yeah. So this is what I'll be using so far now. I was actually using a salicylic acid body wash, but I said let me change and see how this goes. Okay. Yeah. In as much I'm trying new things, the other ones I was trying has probably finished. So when I want to replace them, I buy new ones and try them and see what's best for me. Okay. And I love trying new things. Let me not say I'm a product junkie. If I'm not buying skincare products today, I'm buying hair products tomorrow. But not every time. So the next I got this Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum, and I've actually been enjoying it. Yeah. So this is how it looks inside. It looks like this, vitamin C. Yeah. So you just put like drops on your face after bathing. I can use it twice a day, whatever. So yeah, so the next thing I bought was this Beauty Formula Brightening Vitamin C Serum. And actually I've been taking vitamin C tablets and I've been seeing changes on my body. My skin is coming back to its original color, small. You know, I just have to be patient. Okay, so it's a facial tonic I apply after washing my face. And yeah, basically I bought this cocoa butter formula that I apply mostly around my armpit area. Yeah, this is it. So it's very thick. It has a thick consistency. Then sunscreen. Okay, yeah, the last sunscreen I bought was leaving white patches on my body. Like I look like a masquerade actually. So I got this one. It's not overly expensive. I didn't want to buy the ones that are overly expensive, because why buy the expensive ones when you can see affordable ones that won't leave white patches on your face? So this is it. Yeah, as you can see, Nivea. So another thing I bought was the simple, I think, where is it? So another thing I got was this simple refreshing facial wash, and it has been so gentle on my skin. This is my favorite soap for now. Let me not talk much about it because I want to use it for like a month and see how it goes. And I'm here. It has no color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset the skin, and it's not too foamy. It doesn't bring out much foam. Anytime I use a soap and it strips off all the oils on my face, and I have new breakouts. When I wake up, I'll be seeing something. When I wake up, I've not seen a new pimple since when I changed my routine. But let's see how it goes. Maybe it's doing welcome. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, the facial wash I'm using. It's very gentle and it doesn't have any fragrance. Yeah, so if you're looking for fragrance, it's not this one you buy. So that's basically it, guys. See, subscribe to my channel. Account red. Let me get to 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I watch video to the end so that I will not finish my money before I start making my money. You understand the vibe? Okay, yeah.